Happy Java tutorials. In this tutorial you are gonna see what is variable in Java and also final keyword, Java identifiers and types of variables in Java. Basically variable is nothing but a storage area inside the main memory. Suppose you can see this is the main memory. We are allocating one space here and we are assigning a variable here. So this is the example. Int a equal to 10. 10 is the assigned value. Variables are always assigned with data types. Here int is the data type. We will see that in my next class. We can do some simple math calculations here. If a is 10, b is 20, c is 50, we can do simple math calculation here easily, right? But what about if the number is like this? So if all numbers is like this, is it easy to do math calculation? No, right? And there are going to be typo mistakes and it's lot of confusion also. So these variables are like makes us easy to write the code. Do you understand now what is variable? It's easy, right? So now let's practice more code. You need to practice more code and you have to understand the concepts. This is the main logic behind the programming. Now let's practice some of the examples. Integer a equal to 10, integer b equal to suppose 20, int c equal to a plus b. Let's print it. System.out.println c. Now you can see 30 is printing here. Means it does the calculation and printing. This one we will call as variable creation. Can anyone guess what is this C? Because this is the variable creation. This one is calling a variable. Suppose if you are not giving anything here, the code compiles and runs, but there is no output here. Even though you are doing all math calculations here, if you are not calling anything, it's not gonna give the answer. So you have to understand how to call anything what we created earlier, means methods, variables, etc. Now I am saving the code again. If you print, again you will see 30 here. Now let's see the concept called Java identifiers. Because Java is identifying uniquely, means you are not gonna give any duplicate or you are not gonna assign any variable duplicates. Let's see here, because you gave already int a and b variables here. If you want to create again a variable, it shows the error. Variable a is already defined in the scope. Should not give the same name again. This is called as giving unique names. The concept is Java identifier. We will also see some places as final variable. Final variable means once you create it, you cannot change the variable. So this we will see again while discussing type of variables, like as I said earlier, instance, local, static, parameter, variable types are there in Java. I know I'm saying many times we will see the topic later, because I wanted you to understand the basic level and from basic level to again expert level. So that's the reason I'm teaching all basics now. I hope you enjoy watching my tutorials. See you in my next video.